Happy New Year's, guys.
Hi, Happy New Year.
It is officially 2023. Yeah, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name's David.
My name's Megan.
And we live in our 2022 Toyota 4Runner. And on today's video, we're going to go do some more camping at another Colorado State Park. Right, Spiky? It is Spiky.
he was just twisting his head the whole time.
Excited. You excited to come with us this time instead of being with Grandma all day?
Yeah.
You excited? So now this guy gets set up. So this is our spot. Wow. It's a beautiful spot. I think we should
So maybe a little bit more forward, or what?
No, not no more forward. I think we should probably unpack this stuff before we do the hunting.
Yeah, let's get all this stuff down and besides the diesel heater.
Yeah, we're taking the diesel heater down too.
Okay, alright.
Oh, you did that stuff, so I'll let you do that. So we're currently in a winter storm warning, and tonight we could either get 2 inches of snow or we can get up to 12 inches of snow. They're just not too sure yet how the storm's gonna go. Where we just came from, Longmont, Colorado, they're looking at about another 4 to 8 inches of snow, or just 1 inch of snow. So we're gonna still do the awning though, just because it just really depends on what kind of snow we get. They say it's gonna be the wet, heavy snow from the pineapple air or something like that. I don't know really, but so we'll see how it goes, and then tonight we might have to get out and brush the snow off the awning, but we'll see how it holds up. So this is the Colorado State Park 11-mile highway is what it's called. Right? Or 11-mile
11-mile state park.
11-mile State Park. That's what it's called. Let's get this awning up. What you doing with my knife? What you doing in here, huh? You relaxing? Oh, you sweet puppies. So I might have messed up. I gotta get to this battery system, but I'm gonna have to do it from inside now. But this is the diesel heater setup. Hopefully this exhaust goes out more that way. Doesn't come back into the 4Runner, but still got the carbon monoxide alarm just in case. So it's gonna be our diesel heater setup for the night. Oh man. So they're saying it's gonna get down to, I think 10 or 5 degrees depending. And then the wet heavy snow. So we'll see how much snow we get. I don't think we're gonna get the 12 inches that they're kind of predicting now. I think we're just gonna get maybe 1 or 2 inches. That's how it normally goes. Man, I love this setup. Oh man. All right, we're about almost set up for the night. Might go ahead and put some of those in. What do you guys think, boys? What do you puppies think? You guys happy to be back in here with us? Yeah. Maybe I won't put these up just yet, so then they can see out and stuff. They like to look out. So we're like pretty much set up. I'm gonna undo this for the first time. I heard good things about these WeatherTech, and they actually fit your vehicle exact. So we'll see how well it does. So if I can do this, Megan's help.
Pull the bottom over a little bit more to your, there you go. Oh, there it goes.
That fits really well. Look at that. Up in there, huh?
Like go all the way, yeah.
All up in
The
there.
corner's peeking a little bit. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, I don't know how to fix that middle part though.
Did you push it down?
They hurt. Yeah, I'm trying to push it down. They fit perfect.
Who knew this would be like so?
I know. I'm so happy I bought these. I saw a guy get them on YouTube. I was like, I'm gonna have to check these out. Look at that. This fits perfect. So if you just go to the WeatherTech's website, and then you put your vehicle's information in there, and then they have these as a full set or just the front. And we got the full set for like 185, I believe it was.
That's what I like about it too.
Oh yeah, right here.
Take it out. Like
Yeah.
easy.
We gotta find a good place to store them though. Maybe under the bed.
I love these things. Look at them. Say hi, Spiky. You look so precious. Look at you guys. Oh, what you doing? Look at you guys. I think they're happy to be with us, don't you? Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on.
Mr. Steele Show.
What are you guys doing?
OG might be too cold and we have to keep him inside.
Which is really weird because when we take him outside, normally, like, to go pee, he's not shaking. But
Whoops. Look how cute they look. Aww. Well, someone looks a little warm now. Not shaking. Look how cute.
they do.
How cute they look. Look at that. So, this is why I kind of want to install the diesel heater inside. Didn't really want to put holes in the 4Runner, but it looks like I might have to, just so we can use that privacy. Or I'm going to try the install on the top, and then a piece of wood in here with a little hole for the heat to come in to, sorry, just checking out the video. To get a, Jayco feather light, That's the one we want to get to tow behind this. So I don't really know if we want to permanently put holes or permanently install something into the 4Runner if we're going to eventually get that. But that might be, what, 3 or 4 years down the road, maybe?
Maybe before,
So,
depending.
or maybe before, depending. So maybe we'll go ahead and just install the diesel heater inside. I'm not too sure yet. What do you think?
I don't know. I kind of didn't want to, but
Why? It's more stealthy.
yeah, but I just didn't want to do that yet until we got everything else in there that we wanted.
Oh yeah, like a new bed platform.
Yeah.
We'll probably put that in there first, to be honest. You getting warmer back there, buddy? Yeah, he's getting warmer. We'll keep this door open so you can see us out there. Look at that. You see how good that is back there, sealed? You can't see no lights from the outside looking in because of those. That just gives us so much more privacy. What are you doing in here, Spike? Why do you need all that privacy, huh? Huh?
Searching for food.
Searching for food in here? It's warm in here now with the diesel heater going. He's just sitting there looking out the window. Man, these things worked so well. Well, there's some little holes.
All you have to do is push it.
Oh, that's because the window's open too.
Yeah.
So the system that I've kind of been working on, it's a piece of wood that sits on top of the roof, and it covers perfectly the moonroof, and then it has like some windowsill on it, so then water can't like come in and anything. So I'm thinking what we can do is we can try that for next time, and then just run the diesel heater in through here and see if that works better than having a side window like that. That might be better and more stealthy too. So we'll try that next time. Look at the chunky boy back there. He's like, Dad, I'm tired.
Yeah, he's tired.
I want food. He's like, when you guys gonna cook dinner?
Oh.
Oh, he's got his peacock. You got your
get your
peacock?
peacock, dude.
Get
Where's
your
your peacock at?
Get your peacock.
Where's your peacock at?
He might be looking for his monkey too.
Yeah, he doesn't have his monkey with us, but
We're gonna go ahead and cook some dinner here soon, and Megan, this is your part.
I know. I'm gonna cook some
What are we having for dinner?
stir fry.
Just stir fry?
Chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir fry.
I think I'm actually gonna set their food out since it's cold.
Yeah, just sit it out. We got from Walmart. It's not good for cutting wood.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Kind of low.
Some avocado spray.
I think that's good. Ooh, my nose is running.
It's chilly out here.
It's a little chilly, but I like it. I don't mind it.
Got kind of cold quick.
It kind of dropped out. But when we got here, it felt so nice, though.
Yeah, it was like super nice, and then it got over.
It's because the sun was out.
Just gonna let this chicken cook up for a little bit before we take it off and add the stir fry.
Oh, the moon's peeking through.
Oh yeah, the moon is peeking through. At least the puppies are nice and warm in the floor.
Yeah, they are.
I'm gonna have to add more diesel fuel to it later before we like go to sleep.
Which will be easier to do now that it's on the ground. Huh.
You guys all in there, nice and toasty.
He's all nice and
Hi, buddy. He's like, what
Hi,
you guys
baby.
cooking out here?
I think he
food.
smells it, yeah.
He's like, I smell food out here.
You want to give me a kissy so bad.
He's like, well, I don't know about that. I just want food.
You can smell it. It smells so delicious. And I do have a temperature gauge to see if it is done. It's looking pretty close. I'm gonna put this back on for just a moment. And I think I am going to, I think, put something kind of on this side to lift it up a little, but I'm gonna cook the chicken and then take it out, cut up the chicken, throw the veggies, let them saute in there, and then I'll throw it all together. And then we got stir fry sauce. This is the best stuff. If you haven't tried his stuff, it's really good. But yeah, so it's only 5 calories, which is nice. What? I said it's 5 calories for 1 tablespoon, which is really nice, which is a lot better than a lot of other stir fry sauce. So I'm gonna do that. Turn that around slightly. That look good.
That chicken.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
It's really good. It's pretty good.
Yeah. There's this little piece too. Hold on. Has like a little piece of fat in there.
Spike.
Yeah.
Comes the wind.
Oh,
Let's try this chicken.
Has a little kick to it, but it's still, what do you think? Pretty good?
It's pretty good chicken.
Yeah. Do you smell some? It's still frozen.
So Megan's cooking the vegetables
Yeah.
in the chicken juice.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it. And I added a little bit more avocado oil just to...
They're trying to get the chicken. Get your butts back in there. I'm gonna close that window. Sit back in there. You guys will get dinner soon, okay? Sit. You'll get dinner soon. They just want that chicken. They see that chicken right there.
Yeah,
Right.
they probably do.
But hey, you didn't give us a bite of chicken. Aww. Are you happy? Satisfied?
I don't think so.
They want more. They always want more. Still just waiting on the vegetables to cook. Then we'll throw the chicken in there. Had to close the window because it kept trying to jump out. Oh, that looks good.
Look good?
That looks good.
It does look very good.
Oh, look at that.
I know.
So good. Out here, my hands are like freezing. Wow. Megan's by the fire.
What? What'd you say?
Said you're by the fire.
Up here. My feet are frozen.
Now I know why you guys go to Florida. Dogs, and then make sure they need some water, and we're gonna watch a new TV show. We're gonna watch this anime. We've never really been big into anime. We've only watched like a couple, like the Cyberpunk anime, and that was pretty good. We like that. And we got recommended Chainsaw Man. So we downloaded that because we didn't think we were gonna have service up here, because everyone on the reviews said that there was no service up here, but we actually have service. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and watch that, and we might heat up some dip, some sausage dip that Megan made for New Year's last night. Heat that up and eat on that, and watch some shows and movies, right? Well, someone's happy. They're both getting their dinners. Hey, get away from your brother. Let him finish his dinner. So we're watching a little bit of YouTube, eating our dip before we start watching that new TV show. Of course, Spike's begging for food. Doji's like, oh, I'm gonna lay here right in front of the heater.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. He's just enjoying the heater. Oh, it's a scary show. I'm gonna tell everyone how you just puked all over Mommy's side of the bed.
Yeah.
We had to clean it up.
Mm-hmm.
Actually pretty warm in here. And then now I'm not getting like, because I have this window cover here, I'm not getting a cold breeze on my head, and it is so nice having these window covers. Like all right here, no cold breeze, like I don't feel any cold air from the window. And it's so nice. These WeatherTechs are so nice. Having the dogs back in the vehicle is kind of rough, trying to get adjusted again. And then I just looked at the weather app. It's supposed to start snowing here at 8 o'clock. Right now it's 7:20. And it's saying that we're going to get hit really hard. So that's kind of suck, because how I have the diesel heater set up and stuff. And we have the awning still set up. So that kind of sucks. Hopefully the awning does fine. If not, we can just get our warm clothes on, jump out, try to fix everything, put the awning away, all that kind of stuff, you know. But I gotta get out here in a couple hours and check the diesel heater. Fuel, let's see if I need to add more fuel, especially before we go to bed, because I have it on higher than just low, just to keep the dogs more comfortable. But honestly, it's actually like getting really hot in here, so I might need to turn it down. I'm just gonna sit here. We're just gonna lay here, sit here, and watch this show, and hopefully it's good. Really sucks that it gets dark so early. It's like really depressing, to be honest, that it gets dark so you can see early. Decided to get out and go pee. No snow yet, so I don't know. Said it's supposed to be snowing right now, so I don't know, weird. But I came and check out the diesel heater. Still pretty full, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest, just so I know it can run all night perfectly fine. It's pretty scary out here though, not gonna lie. It's really dark. Got some neighbors over there, but other than that, don't have anyone really around us, and it's pretty cold, so I'm gonna get this done and get back in the 4Runner. I had to take the dogs out too. The one that goes first, oh Doji. Oh man, it is cold out here. So now it's it's what, 10 p.m?
10:30, I think.
10:30. We've been watching that Chainsaw Man anime. It's really good, actually. Really enjoying it. It is so warm in this 4Runner with these just like made such a big difference as WeatherTech reflectors that we might even have to turn the diesel heater off. Like, I was like sweating back there, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I even opened a little bit of the window, like took the towel out of the window to get some cool air in. I was like, oh my gosh. I think the last time I checked, it was like 18 degrees outside. So that's pretty insane. And then even up here in the front, it's warmer than what it normally is.
Yeah.
And this stuff is just, it's just working so well. I love this. I definitely recommend it. Snow's starting to come down. It's very light, so I'm not too worried about it. I don't think it's gonna snow enough for this to be a concern. Heard some noises out here, so I'm just kind of checking around. GoPro's still there. So, but yeah, look at this. Can't see him at all with those reflectors. Oh man, it's so pretty out here right now. Feels good coming out here because this thing is just like keeping us so warm. So here's the diesel setup that I have right now. And this thing, oh man, just such a delight. Like, I even have this right now going, because it's so hot in there. Hi guys. And it's still just so warm in there. And it's right now about 10 degrees. Wow. Ready to go potty outside, buddy? Man, I need to clean the 4Runner. As soon as I open the door to the 4Runner, all this heat is just like hitting me. And then also, I'm a concealed weapons holder. So you never know up here in the mountains, especially when you're taking your little fur babies out. Always make sure you have protection with you, because you never know what's out here prowling around. You might try to get a hold of your precious little puppies. Huh? Oh, I can't let that happen. Spiky does not want to come potty outside. He's like, I don't want nothing to do with that cold and snow. But he needs to go because he hasn't gone since we've actually left Grandma's house. You haven't gone potty, mister.
He's been known to hold it.
He'll hold it over 24 hours just so he can go on a pad inside the house, because he's like, I am not going outside now. Alright, we're all settled in and it's almost midnight. Got my CPAP machine. And I think we're gonna go to bed and we'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully not too much snow. Hopefully just a couple inches. Right, Megan?
Yeah.
Megan only likes a couple inches. Alright, we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. sleep all day. I don't think Chunky Boy wants to get up, huh? He's like, I just want to sleep all day, Daddy. Pretty it is out there. Cold and foggy. Looks like it didn't snow that much though. Just a light dusting. These window covers just work so well. If I had this closed and then had this window covered, it'd be pitch dark in here. Well, looks like I'm gonna have this for breakfast. We were gonna cook up some eggs and turkey bacon, but it froze overnight. So just gonna have this morning, and then the dogs need to eat their food. And we're gonna go check out I wanna go park closer to the lake and check that out. Things down. Look at that. So pretty outside right now. There's someone whining for food. You want your breakfast? We're making your breakfast. Can you just hold on? No, you're taking too long. We're taking too long for you, buddy.
Mikey, you want breakfast?
Look at his tongue just sticking out. So funny. Ooh, you guys got
I have
breakfast.
to split it into pieces because they have a hard time eating it because of their teethies.
Alright, we're almost packed up. I'm just like really cold this morning. We want to go check out the lake. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it much right now because of the fog, but Megan and I will definitely be coming back to this spot. It's a beautiful spot. How beautiful that is. Gorgeous. You can see people right there out on the ice fishing. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video, and thank you guys so much for all the support, all the subscribers. If you please go ahead and like the video if you guys like this content. We're gonna go ahead and head back to town. We're actually gonna go stop at Whataburger for lunch and then head back to town and, you know, go to the gym, take showers, go try to make money. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this again is the 11 mile
state park.
Could you let me finish? No, you won't let me finish, will you? Anyways, thank you guys. We appreciate all the support, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.